Good afternoon, everybody. Today I am going to give the question answers of class 7th, lesson 2. Chapter name is The Ants Come Marching. Okay. First part I given. The second part, reference to contest. Today I will give. Okay. Reference to contest. The second question. Okay. I hope everybody wrote the first portion and the word meaning in your fair notebooks. The second portion is reference to contest. From that, the first question is, before long, there were 2 lines of ants on the string. Okay, that is the sentence from books. Okay, then from that sentence, first question is, what were the 2 lines of ant doing? Okay, answer doing. What were the 2 lines of ants doing? Question. Okay, answer is that one line tramping down to get the sweet syrup. Okay, one line tramping down to get the sweet syrup, and the other line parading upward. Okay, and the second line and the other line parading upward. They were carrying home globs of molasses in their crops. Okay, molasses in their crops. Okay, first one. Okay, second question, what had brought about the movement of these 2 lines? Okay, the movements in these 2 lines brought, the idea is that once the ant find food and head back to the nest, they will lay down another trail of pheromones, allowing others to pick up their scent and follow the same route. Okay, that the second question answer. Okay, first and the second question answers. Okay, next one. See, question is from the same sentence. The third question is that what did this prove to Franklin when Franklin, who was conducting the experiment? Okay, Benjamin Franklin's experiment proved that the ant had communicated with her nestmates. Okay, nestmates. There are 3 questions in first sentence and that is completed. Now we are going to start the third. Okay, third. First I will read the sentence from the textbook. Okay, today, after many observations and experiments, scientists have found answers to some of these questions. Okay, that is the sentence. From that, first question is that basis on this sentence, the first question is that what were the scientists trying to find out? Okay, the scientists trying to find out how the ants communicated with each other. Okay, next question B, what conclusion did they arrive at? Okay, and answer is starting from here. They arrived at the conclusion that. Okay, after that write this. Okay, answer starting from here. They arrived at the conclusion that ants may not be able to speak, but they can use their antennae to smell and taste. They have special glands in their bodies, okay, that produce a variety of odor signals called pheromones. Okay. Using one of these signals, a scout ant can leave an invisible trail of odor for other ants to follow. Okay. Then the C. Question: what does it tell you about ants? Okay, answer. It tells about the ants is that by means of the body language and chemistry, ants tell one another what they need to do and they do it. Okay. Then next, fourth, okay, sentence. And when ants sniff a sweet trail, they receive a message. Okay. And question is that what message do the ants get? The ants get the message like that come to get food, prepare for battle, and ants on the way. Okay. Next B, what do they use to sniff? The ants use their antennae to sniff. Okay. Then C, is the scent trail visible? No, the scent trail is not visible. Okay. Okay, next one, last. Inside the nest, the scout performs a dance for her sisters. Okay. Who were the scout and the sisters? The scouts and the sisters were ants. The scout ants were the soldiers and they were finding foods. The sister ants were allowed to follow the scouts ants when they gave information about the food. Okay. Why does the scout perform a dance? The scout performed a dance for her sisters when they found food and seems to say, let us go. Okay. Next, see, what does performing a dance signify? Performing a dance signify the happiness when they found food and giving signal to go for it. Okay. The next, this is the second portion. Okay, the third portion, question answers, I will give in the next video. Okay. First you write it clearly in your fair notebooks.